Hello, everybody. It's Andy Harris with Premier Property Group in Portland, reagent.com. I was recently in a meeting with a lender and I asked them about interest rates, and it really got me thinking about why now is such a good time to buy or sell. So I wanted to share some of that information with you real quick. So I'm just going to share my screen with you and show you the Freddie Mac website and show you what interest rates are at. So first of all, we have a headline from yesterday about mortgage rates dropping to the lowest level in 3 months. Also note here that they say that it's only about a quarter point above all-time lows. So at 3.6% nationally for a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage, it's a really outstanding rate. And you can see here from last year at this time, rates were at 4.45%. and are now at 3.6%. So it's really, from that perspective, a great time. Of course, that's a big part of your monthly payment. So, and what drives a monthly payment, obviously price, how much you're putting down, things like that matter as well. Here I'm going to use from my website, in my home financing section, I have an affordability and mortgage calculator. So here I'm using the mortgage calculator for $405,000, the median Portland market price, a down payment of 5% just to use something, and we see a lot of buyers at that around 5% down. Interest rate 3.6, and then to keep things simple, I'm not going to put in any property tax, home insurance, condo, HOA dues, and your payments at about $1,750. For 3.6. So let's just say a year ago, if buyers were buying, your rate would be $1,938. So you're talking about almost $200 difference, and just because the interest rate environment. So it's good for sellers because you're going to have buyers with more general bandwidth financially, and it's good for buyers because it's going to keep your payment down. So the final thing I wanted to show you real quick is this comes from RMLS, the local MLS that where realtors get our listings and share our listings. Just note how beginning of the year, I'm just going to go back to 2015. Look at the step of you step up in price, down in price towards the end of the year, step up in price the first part of the year, down or sideways for the end of the year, up in the beginning of the year, sideways toward the end of the year, up. So kind of the 2 steps forward, 1 step back. So this is I mean, look at this all the way back to 2012. A lot of the appreciation is happening in the beginning of the year. So if you can buy right now, in the next month or two, you're going to beat out where a lot of the appreciation in the year happens. You have low interest rates. So especially from the buying perspective, now is a great time. From the selling perspective, sometime this spring, late spring, is a great time before you hit this kind of fall back in price period in the June, July period throughout the end of the year. So anyways, I hope this was helpful. If there's anything I can do to help you, please reach out. My number is 503-504-2369, and my email is andy@portlandreagent.com. Thanks a lot. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.